Welcome back. We're at the Hocking State Forest today, and we are going to cross the street here, and we are going to the rock rappelling area, and we're going to let you take a look at some of the other spots that we didn't go to the last time we were here. So come along with us.
Okay, so if you come here and you're gonna climb, you need to fill this out. To give you an idea where we're at here, we are here. And we're gonna go back this to these rock slumps. All right. Now, we can also take this trail right here that's behind here and circle it all the way back. That's how you would come out the way we're going. So we're gonna go straight back past the slumps, and this is rock face here. This is all rock face you can climb. We're gonna come out and then come back in. Hi, baby.
This place is awesome. If you like to climb on rocks, it's definitely the place to go.
What are you doing?
Sitting in my chair.
Why?
Because nature provides. Shill Brothers didn't realize I don't have to bring my chair.
Jeez.
Nature provides.
Get down.
No!
Get down.
I'm resting.
Hey, you say you're the YouTube star. Get your butt to hiking.
My feet don't touch the ground.
Your feet never touch the ground.
That's true.
All right, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's getting dark. We came out in here and the rain's been kind of holding off and holding on, so we're trying to get through, trying to show you guys as much as possible without getting totally soaked. It's fine, we're on the GoPro, but I don't know if you can see it because of the darkness, but you see this behind me? There's a rock wall that runs this whole place on this side. You really have to come check it out. But my wife took off ahead to scout for something. She heard water running, so we're gonna go check that out. So we've taken shelter under this rock outcropping as it poured down rain.
We're being princesses today. We're trying not to get soaked.
Yeah, we don't see any point in getting soaked. It's not like we're out backpacking. We're just out doing a couple miles here. The trails, I don't want to say there's trails here, but there is trails here. But it's really, really, really hard to get lost. I just come out here and play and have fun. If you're gonna come climb, bring the correct equipment. Make sure you got somebody with you that knows how to do it. And if you come out here to hike and just check it out, be mindful and respectful of the people climbing. You know, give them right away on everything. Because this is their area. That's what this is here for. We're just kind of coming in on their area and checking out the beauty of it. We actually purposely chose a day it was kind of rainy because we knew there wouldn't be climbers out here, so we wouldn't be bothering them.
But I think this is, I don't know that much about rock climbing, but I think this is a good place for whether you're a beginner or intermediate. I'm sure they probably don't classify it really difficult. There might be some spots, but if it's a sport you're thinking about getting into, this would probably be a great area to start with.
And I was telling her, I thought if you've got like young teenage kids that's got some energy to burn, I mean, as long as you kept them away from the climbers, this would be a great place to let some kids kind of hop around on some stones and just explore and enjoy themselves. I mean, you still have to have a mindful eye, but it's not so much that down here, you're not really going to go off of a rock wall and drop 100 foot. If you're up on the top up there, maybe, but if down here, it's just a great area to kind of hang out and let the kids enjoy themselves.
Beautiful.
What are you doing out there?
Scout.
Scouting the area. Bet you the view's pretty good over there. good thing.
Creepy with how high it is.
Well, if I got on that thing, it'd fall over the edge. My weight would offset it.
Okay, so originally I said this is probably beginner to maybe, intermediate. And I didn't figure there was probably any hard ones. But maybe I stand corrected. I think that might be advanced. Don't know that much about rock climbing, but it looks a little slippery to me.
So if you cross this canyon thing behind us and come over, there's like a little cutout in the cave, like a rock overhang thing. We'll show you here in just a second. If it's wet out, it'll have water running all over it, but it's pretty cool looking. But there's a trail that goes off the rest of the way up the rock wall that way. And then the one that goes back, that's real nice and easy, right down there. So we're going to turn around and show you this, but it should be noted, if you want to see all this stuff from the top side, if you go the Balancing Rocks way, go past Balancing Rocks on the Buckeye Trail, it goes up on top of all this. So let's get you turned around and check this out.
Payback.
Payback.
You're gonna get yours.
Look at the holes.
Pretty neat.
Nobody climbs this, I guarantee you.
Even with it all wet.
Okay guys, so we just came across the bridge. We didn't film there that last little, I don't know, 100 yards because we were chatting with a couple we just met from Cincinnati, and they started to go the way we were out by the rappelling area, which is beautiful, but they're on a limited time frame, so we told them to go ahead and go over to Balancing Rocks, which is here too. You just got to make a left. So what'd you think so far, honey?
I thought it was wonderful.
It's kind
Lots to see, lots to play on.
It's kind of awesome. This was kind of our thing that we held off on doing last. We didn't know how it was going to be, you know, our Hocking State Forest adventure. I mean, there's some other little trails we got to explore, but for the major stuff, this is kind of bringing it to an end. So it's kind of bittersweet, but the nice thing is this is a handful of miles from our house, so we can always come back and play and re-explore. Definitely want to bring the granddaughter back.
I want to do that part of the Buckeye Trail.
Yeah, we do need to do the Hocking Forest part of the Buckeye Trail. But anyways, until next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And we'll see you in the next one.